guys, man? Hopefully you guys are doing good today. Man, $58, man. I was like barely at a quarter tank of gas. That's crazy, man. Gas prices are ridiculous. I mean, I know Shell is a little more expensive. I like getting quality. God damn, Cali? I gotta move the hell out of here, bro, for real. Puerto Rico, here I come, baby. Bro, what are you waiting on, bro? This is the safe side, and I'm still scared, guys. Let's just hope I do not scrape. Oof, clutch. Appreciate you, bruh. Cool guy right there, man. Not many people will let you get in there like that. Appreciate that person right there. Oh, he's over there recording too. I don't know if he recognizes me or if he just likes the whip. Okay. See him, is that a Subi? Galaxy up in there. Look at this guy. Off that Coke, drinking soda. Is that a Shelby, dog? I don't know, I was fucking holding the camera, I wasn't even looking. That shit was a good run. What do you have in there? Nothing stock? Yeah. What year is it? 16? Yeah.
4 to 6 weeks later.
What a beautiful day. What's good, LouieXIII? Haven't said that in a while. As you can see, it is a very beautiful day out here. The birds are chirping. The Scat is purring. Nah, but hey, man, we're gonna do something today that I've been meaning to do for a while. And a lot of people have been hitting me up, telling me to do it. I've been meaning to do it even before people have been suggesting it. So without further ado, man, let's get this thing started. Look at the young precipitation. You guys see that? All right, so obviously, as you guys can see in the title and in the thumbnail, you already know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be debadging my Scat pack. Basically, I'm just gonna be taking off the Dodge lettering right there. And I was debating taking off the Charger and maybe the Scat. I'm gonna leave the Scat and I'm gonna leave the Charger for now. We'll see what I end up doing with that later. I'm also gonna be leaving all the other badges as well. I might be doing something with the grill soon, but as for now, we're gonna be taking off the Dodge there. Like I said, something I've been meaning to do for quite some time now. And this is one of 2 steps. So maybe you could guess what the next step is. I don't know, you're gonna have to wait and see. But first step, I'm gonna be taking off the Dodge. For the second step, I've had what I need for that step for quite some time now. I just been waiting on it. I don't know what's been taking me so long. I've had so much other stuff going on, but it's about that time. So without further ado, man, let's get started. So as you guys can see here, I got my handy dandy blow dryer. You could use a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, but you know, blow dryer works good as well. Almost lost this. As you can see, this is not floss. You might be able to use floss. I don't know if you don't have fishing wire, but this stuff ain't too expensive. And I got the extension cord right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all this up and we'll get right to it. So if I didn't mention before, like, comment, subscribe. Those likes help out tremendously for the channel growth, the analytics and all that. So if you guys like the video, man. It really does help out a lot. Thank you guys so much. So we're good to go. Just heat this thing up, put it on hot, and take your time with it. You don't have to rush. Just heat it up nice and good. Don't overheat it. Just enough to where you can get those letters off. I'm gonna go one at a time. Let's see if that's good. Basically what you do, you just get that wire in there and you drag it across. Boom. Simple as that. A little bit of cleaning left to do afterwards, but that one was pretty easy. You don't really need to heat it up too much. I mean, I've seen people do it without heating it up at all, but I want to heat it up just a little at least. There goes the O. There goes the other D. Instead of just pulling it, you could move it around a little, go up and down with it, make it a little easier. Simple as that. Probably one of the easiest things that you'll ever do, and especially right here because you ain't got to deal with no paint or anything. You don't have to worry about heating up the paint too much. You really don't want to heat this up too much either. You don't have to be as careful as if you were working with the paint. So as you can see, we got all the letters off, and I'm gonna save these just in case I ever get rid of the Scat and the new owner wants them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these somewhere safe and save them for later. All right, so if you guys can see, there's a little bit of residue there. You can still see the Dodge. And what I'm gonna do now is just heat that up a little bit and then I'm gonna clean it. So this is what I use. It works really good. It comes with this big old bottle and another one right here for like portable use. It's wet or waterless wash and wax. Cleans and protects, spray on, wipe dry, Aero Cosmetics. Wash, wax, all. This for aircraft, cars, boats, motorcycles, RVs, appliances, countertops, pretty much everything meets Boeing aircraft spec. Some really good stuff. I have the link down below in the description if you guys want. It's very affordable and it works good, man. I've been using it for a little while now. So what I'm gonna do is just remove a little bit of it with my fingernail, and I don't have big fingernails or nothing like that. I just get it with what I do got. All right, I got most of it off. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this and get the rest of it. All right, there it is, man. We're good to go. So I did have to add a little pressure while wiping it to get all that off, but I got it off and there it is. What you guys think? So pretty easy, you know, didn't take much effort to do that. Like I said, that is part 1 of a 2-step process, so stay tuned. I know you guys can probably guess what part number 2 is. That's gonna be coming very soon, probably in the next upload. But as for this one, that's gonna do it. You guys see it. No more Dodge lettering on the tail lights. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. All links are down below in the description for everything I use and recommend for the gaming channel. The merch, you see the 1391 apparel. All that, you see the 1391 on the back as well. We got a whole lot of stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said before, until the next time, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.